great product, but their product is not selling in the market. One of the biggest reason I found out that is creating an irresistible offer. Hi, my name is Sagar. Today I am going to talk about what is an offer and how you can create an irresistible offer for your product, and you can shift your mindset of selling a product to creating selling an offer, right? So, and today I'm also going to share four case studies that actually help you to understand the market, how actually they are selling online, right? So let's get into my slides. I'll quickly share my slides where basically I'll talk about what is an offer. So offer is not something equal to a product, but it is something, the value you add to your actual product, right? If you sell only product, what will happen? People will search for the different options, right? Other alternatives and other marketers, right? Then they, what you will see, that they will compare the price, and they, if your price is a little bit higher, then you will lose the sales. So what you have higher price, but still you can make the sales even if there are cheaper product available in the market. The best way to go for it, I will quickly share an example. Let's suppose you are selling supplements in the market, which is cost can say $67, right? And now you, Amazon is selling the same supplement for only $20. So what is the probability of getting you sales? Now 100% is definitely they will go for Amazon, right? Because they have very cheap price. But what if I will tell you, if you can create an offer, literally you can sell that price you have set it up. Okay, so let's go. So creating offer is all about adding the value. So what if you can add value like calorie tracker, weight loss guide, an accountability group, which actually help them to get result faster. Not only just get they are getting the product supplement, but it will help them to creating an accountability group, help to know each other, and help found the accountability partner inside that group. They know, because if they get partner, they get accountability system, the chances of getting result is more faster than any other things. In this case, like, you are repackaging your product into a different way, and by adding value, lots of value in it, but it will not cost you very high amount, but literally it will help you to sell more high ticket products, right? So offer increases the perceived value of the product you are selling if you add the value, right? So this is for the scenario. Now you have the package where you are selling same supplement, but you are adding the value and you're packaging the same offer into a different way. People have to purchase this thing because they are getting their perceived value is high, because they think, okay, their main objective is to solve their problem, getting their desired results. So that kind of problem can be solved through this, right? Now we have to stop selling our product. Now let's quickly go through few top marketers. So I follow Russell Brunson, who is very good at putting an offer. I'll quickly go through his book, like how he's selling a book which is free of cost, but he's asking for money for the shipping cost, right? But still he giving an irresistible offer. So the book name is Expert Secret. I would highly suggest, if you are into info product industry, selling training, coaching, consulting, highly suggest this book. This book is something related to uh, how you can sell through webinar, how you can share your message, not building only business, but building a movement, right? Like how the top successful business, they build movement, they build community. That's how they're successful. So this is highly recommend. I'll give you the link in the descriptions. So this is a low ticket product. I will share the mid ticket product, and last I'll share what the high ticket product. How you can sell all this category of product with an irresistible offer. So this is normal book. Normal author only sell book, but the thing is, if you wanted to sell uh, your book with irresistible offer, then you can literally sell your product at any price of point. Sorry, any price point, right? Now Russell Brunson is selling, if you calculate whole the funnel, like book funnel, his funnel is something, if somebody purchase whole funnel, it will cost them more than $700. It means he's selling his book for $700. How is he adding value and asking more money inside this book? If you go through this funnel, definitely you'll see like in the next step he will ask, okay, if you have don't have time, what you can do is you can get audiobook, right? So that what happens, it solve a bigger problem. Like people don't get time to read, so they can listen while they running or while they traveling anywhere, right? So for that audiobook he's charging $37. In the next step he will ask, okay, take this training from, for that you will pay some $97. So that's how the funnel is designed such a way that even if the prices go very high, people have to pay because they are getting value from it. So even let's talk about this free book. Is not only just providing the book but also adding expert evolution training, hook story offer training, perfect webinar slides, okay, and 5-minute perfect webinar, 30-day expert secret challenge also. So it is not only about the getting the book but also how you can implement those concepts into actions and get them results. The total value of this book, like the offer is $609, but you have to pay nothing, just you have to pay shipping cost, like that is $10 for US and $20 for other countries. So that's how he's putting the offer for this low ticket product, right? Now let's talk about his mid ticket product, which is $100. This challenge is all about, this is a challenge, this is nothing like a course. So basically what happens, if you sell a course, what happens, normally people can make the pirated version of that course, and you will end up losing customers. But he's created this course in a such a way that people have to purchase this product because he's created a challenge. Somebody has to inside the group to do this challenge, right? And there is implementation call every single day that you can get the recordings, by the way. But the thing is, you are not able to find someone to get answers, to get to get coachings from someone every single day for the next 30 days. So this is how he given offer. Let's talk about what the offer he is giving. Not only is just providing this like challenge, but also he's providing like live coaching with implementation coach, one pager, it is like something workbook he's providing, and also he's providing the private group, so it will help them to, okay, increase perceived value. Okay, I'm able to network with like thousands of people inside the group, and which already doing this challenge internationally, right? There is a breakthrough trainings and unlimited 30-day interviews of top achievers, 2 collaborations, means the funnels that made more than $1 million in revenue, right? So in that case, he literally give the value 30x what he was charging for. He's he's giving value of $3,000 and he's just charging $100 for this challenge, right? And he's giving all the things. So if somebody like, if I'm normally I promote this challenge as an affiliate, what I do basically, I say, hey, if you wanted to start your business online, don't know anything, and you wanted to make an offer, you wanted to know how to get traffic, you wanted to know how to build sales funnel in this 30 days, and this is highly recommend like 30-day crash course internet marketing challenge. You will get just for $100. You will get all coaching session, trainings from Russell Brunson, who is the top internet marketers. Like you know that his book is just I showed expert secret, traffic secret, .com secret, right? So this is how this challenge is all about, right? So this is the offer he's putting up. Now let's talk about his high ticket offer. How he's selling $1,000 offer with a very beautiful way, right? So let's suppose this offer is all about like, because he's the founder of ClickFunnels. So normally people say whenever they sell a software, what they do, they just sell a software on, and that's it. Like they don't any offer to it. So what exactly Russell Brunson is adding is not only giving 6-month plan. This is a 6-month plan, right? If somebody is getting 6-month plan, they will get 44% discount. on 6-month plan, but he's also giving trainings like 5 modules which talk about top converting funnels for the 7-figure entrepreneurs, right? That is something he's giving. Traffic secret course, basically he's giving all his best traffic strategy like solo ads, media buying, Facebook. So this strategy completely free of cost. He's also giving daily hackathons, and apart from this he is having like more than 50 or 70 plus courses in inside this package, this offer. So isn't it very irresistible just paying $1,000 somewhere? Someone is getting training, also getting ClickFunnels for 6 months, which is if somebody has to purchase ClickFunnels, that upper level plan, somebody has to pay $297. It means they are just giving completely irresistible offer. So the value he is giving 10x and he's just charging 997. It means like whenever you, if you see the pattern like 30x value, 10x value, it means you have to give the value at least 10x whatever price you are charging. Then only people say it is an irresistible offer. That's how irresistible offer works. People cannot say no to this kind of offer. They don't have any other options. Like if you go to another software, they will see, okay, purchase this, just pay $97 and just use their software. But he's literally providing lots of value in terms of providing trainings, funnels, lots of support like this, right? Okay, guys. So this is something I'll talk about more in depth in later. So if you find really helpful, just hit that like button and please subscribe my channel so that you will get, don't miss this kind of value things, right? And I'll talk about if you are selling a product, please stop selling product, because cost is something you pay, price is something they pay, and the value they decide. So you have to decide what kind of objections they have during their journey so that you can create an offer. Now we'll learn about how to create an offer. So find out what are the objections they have during this the product consumption. So let's suppose you are selling a, let's simple talk about mobile phones, right? People see what kind of objection they face. That what if my mobile phone stop working? So okay, then give some guarantee like 1 year, 6 months. So this is how you creating offer in like physical products. So similarly in online product, you have to give some offer that actually irresistible. So now find after finding the objection, you have to think that about false belief, external false belief. Let's suppose I'm selling a software. So internal false belief say I'm not technical persons. How I can build a funnel inside ClickFunnels there. So I say okay, don't worry. I'll give you like my funnel templates which I have built for last 7 months. You just get it for free. Just use my affiliate link. So this is what is all about, right? And external beliefs, okay, I don't have time. Okay, you don't have time to learn these things. I'll give you a free course to learn all this technical stuff. You don't have to experiment the things and learn from it. I'll give you step-by-step approach to get these things done. So this is guys like all the things you. So I have whatever I have shared, you can get all the links inside the description below. And what go now that this tactic I wanted to share, that is offer hack. Go through all the funnel I have shared, like go to the descriptions, see how they are literally sharing their offer. Just observe the pattern, how they are offering, then you can just model them. Tony Robbins says like, if you want to be successful, then success which already just model the success. So already people are successful in your industry. If you wanted to really successful in creating an offer, then find out top 10 industry leaders in your industry, top maybe your competitors who are really doing at sales, and see their pattern, their landing page, their offer, and how you can literally model them. Do not copy them. Copy is illegal, but modeling is legal. You can add them what, because you learn them how they have done lots of research, then they only put their offer, and you can. So this is called offer hack. You can hack their offer and make it in your own taste. So this is all about offer, creating irresistible offer. I hope you got lots of value, right? I will highly suggest if you really wanted to build or creating business online and setting your funnel in 30 days, I highly suggest that you should join One Funnel Away Challenge. That is what I started last year during this COVID. I was stuck at my business. Then I started building my online business. So all the things are in the descriptions, and definitely you will get special bonus that you'll get access to my private community with no extra cost. Like I have my private community, which actually I go and take Q&A every single week to help them in their journey whenever they face. That is completely bonus if you plan to go through One Funnel Away Challenge. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and just hit the bell icon, hit the subscribe so that you will be notified the next valuable value problem solving content from my side. Thank you so much.